Welcome and congratulations to you, dear. You did it. You have completed 9 essential lessons on Adobe Illustrator, from tools to typography, from flat design to business cards. You're ready to create like a professional. What we have learned so far: introduction to the Illustrator workspace, essential tools and shortcuts, creative typography techniques, applying effect and gradients, flat design, logo design, brochure and layout design, and business cards compositions. Once you've learned these titles, you can start designing with confidence and use rules explained in the previous videos to work better and more professionally. Where you can use these skills for freelance graphic design, branding and marketing materials, UI UX prototypes, social media content, and business and professional branding. Maybe you ask what's missing. I want to tell you, good designers ask what's next. You have mastered the basics, now it's time to innovate. The world is changing. AI tools are transforming designing workflows. And what if you could design faster, smarter, and more creatively? Now I have a great news for you, and I want to tell you what's next and what we will do at the next. We will design with AI and Illustrator. We will combining these two tools with each other, and we will learn how to use tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, and generate ideas, images with the help of AI. We will save the time and boost creativity and create a hybrid workflow. Great! Get ready for the next chapter. Thank you for joining this Illustrator beginner course. You have built a strong foundation. Now get ready for the advanced journey where graphic design meets artificial intelligence. I would be happy to have you with me in the new course. Stay with me and feel free to ask any questions you have about this course or the previous videos. If you have any suggestions for the new course, please write them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any new opportunity. Stay tuned.